Hey guys, so I have an unboxing to share. I got a MARHEN.J bag. I heard about this brand from Edward Avila. It's funny because he was doing like this home shopping network type of bit. It was funny because he wasn't like the traditional kind of host, like, oh, this is such a great product, blah, blah, blah. He was putting like a box of instant noodles into the bag to show how much it fit. And it was just pretty hilarious. I feel like a traditional company, no one in their right mind would like have someone like him, you know, showing off their products. But you know, I guess it worked for me because I never knew about it, and then I saw those bags and I was like, those are actually pretty cute. Let me look into it. And I saw that they were having a 50% off sale. So I was like, 50% off? That's pretty good. So this is a brand that is from Korea. It is a vegan synthetic brand. So no leathers for their material. Pricing wise, their bags are around the $200 range, but since I got it for 50% off, it was even cheaper. And look at that, it came in this really cute MARHEN.J bag. I want to get a Celine bag, but I'm holding off on that for, you know, like a special occasion or something to kind of reward myself. So I'm gonna hold off on that. But I needed kind of like just a really low-key bag, but the thing is, you know, something not too expensive. But the thing is that a lot of these brands that are not so expensive, I find that the silhouette that they have kind of copies or is inspired by other brands like Chanel or Celine or, you know, whatever. So I wanted, you know, a cheaper bag that had an original silhouette. And I personally have never seen anything like the silhouette of a bag that I got, but, you know, I don't know, because I'm not super familiar with bags. But yeah, so with the MARHEN.J, it comes with this dust bag, and it's tied with this MARHEN.J ribbon. And then here you have a tag and also kind of like a certified barcode thing. And I guess you scan it with an app and then it'll confirm that it's, you know, a legit authentic bag. I purchased this straight from the MARHEN.J website, so I have no doubts that it is authentic. And then let's open this. This is quite, I paid close to $100 with the coupon, and so the presentation of all this is quite nice for something that I paid $100 for. Here's the MARHEN.J dust bag. So I ordered the Ludy bag, and let's open it up. I wanted the lavender or the baby blue Ludy bag, but those were sold out. So I got the Indie Pink instead. So the bags that I've used before were from Jungle Tribe. I've been using those for several years. But I wanted to get a more, you know, like feminine type of bag, something not as grungy. So that's why I was in the market for a new bag. And the Jungle Tribe bags, don't get me wrong, they're really cool. And I like how they're convertible. You can wear them different ways, but again, you know, I need something more feminine. And so here is the bag. So I've never quite seen a silhouette like this. They have this strap, and it's like, I don't know, nylon or whatever type of strap, or cotton, some kind of fabric strap, and it hangs off to the side like this. Here has the MARHEN.J Seoul, Korea. It's a nice petite little bag. I like smaller bags. Open it up, take out all the padding, and it comes with this strap. They have another strap that's more sporty looking that you can purchase separately, but I prefer this one. Okay, so this is interesting. So you attach the straps onto the back. I thought that they were gonna attach to the sides, but I guess not. I didn't look that closely at the pictures. I like strap bags. I don't like the little purses that you just carry on your arm like that. I think they're too high maintenance. With the MARHEN.J bags, they are popular in South Korea. They have several flagship stores there, and it also seems to be popular in Southeast Asia. Here inside there's a tag, MARHEN.J, and it's made in Korea. Then inside is another pocket right here. Put your phone in, that's what I'm gonna do. I just carry my phone, keys, and wallet usually, so this is beyond what I need in terms of space. The craftsmanship of this bag is amazing. I am looking at it and I don't know if these are completely made by machine or some components have to be made by hand, or if they're all made by hand, but you know, it is well made. It really is well made, and it's so surprising that even, let's just, you know, like they retail for approximately $200. With this craftsmanship, that is impressive. And then that's not even mentioning the fact that I got this for half off. Wow, big ups to MARHEN.J. I feel like it's because they are, you know, repping Korea, and you know, Korean bags are like really well known in the international market. It's almost like they really wanted to, you know, prove something with their quality, and so it is really, really well made. That's cute. I really like the size of it. Okay, so I do have a negative with this bag. You know how these straps are attached from the back side? From, you know, the side, it looks cute. But then when you're straight on, I feel like it doesn't look as great. And I think that could have been solved if the straps were attached like right here. So then it would be more up against the body. Hi Kai, and that's my roommate's cat. And so that's kind of the one negative that I would say with this bag, is that it looks kind of weird when it's just hanging from the back like that, when you're, you know, facing straight on. So yeah, it's just this cute little bag. I'm happy with my purchase, especially when it is on sale. I think if you just follow like their Instagram and Facebook, then you'll know when like the sales come up. They seem to do the 50% off every now and then. So personally, I would hold off when they have one of those sales. From what I saw, it was pretty much almost all of their items that were applicable for the sales. I don't know how long this vegan leather is going to hold up and last, but yeah, it's just like a cute, not too expensive, casual bag.